everyone, welcome back to my channel. Mekshairjourney here, PlannergirlMek on Instagram. Oh, you guys, it's been a long summer and I'm so sorry. I have been MIA, missing in action, but I am back with something new. You know us planner girls, we are always switching things up, changing the game, and I'm definitely switching things up with this one. I am doing a digital spread, but this time I am not using Silhouette. I completely use Goodnotes. And I finally got comfortable enough, learned a few things. I've been like in YouTube University all summer long, and I'm finally at a place where I'm like, I can do a video. I did a screen record of this spread probably about 2 weeks ago. Has it been 2 weeks? I posted it on my Instagram and you guys went bananas. You were like, okay, Meeks, when are we gonna get a video? What are you doing? And I have seen all of your messages. I will be answering those today. Today is September 2nd. Sorry about that chime. I got a message on my when I was recording and I just never deleted it. I'll probably try to take it out and you're probably gonna be like, what noise, Meek? We didn't hear anything. But anywho, this kit is from ThePlannerShack. And this is the Indian Princess kit and it is a part of the Disney Princess bundle. I believe that's what it's called. I'll have links down below for it. But the amazing thing about this bundle is it's $50, but in the ThePlannerShack right now, if you spend over $20, you get 50% off. So you get $25 for this bundle. And when I tell you, it is packed full of monthlies, dashboards, weekly kits, you name it, it is all in there. There is one for just about every princess. I'll have a link down below for some of my previous videos that I've done using some from this bundle. I can't get enough of it. I try my best to, you know, use at least one a month, but my goal is to at least use all of them at some point in the future. So whenever I'm like, oh, I'm gonna use a Disney princess kit, I just throw it in there. But I really love it. It's full of some amazing things. But let's talk about this spread. Right now I am just laying out my what's the word I'm looking for? It's just my foundation. There we go. Y'all know I be stumbling over words, but I'm looking for my foundation, laying that out, and I went ahead and cropped the kit. If you guys want a video of me showing you how I crop my kit to prep it for Goodnotes using the ThePlannerShack's kits, please let me know. I will definitely do that. I think either way I'm gonna work on doing that. Because despite all of the tons of videos out there, I still get tons of questions. People just want to see how everybody else does it, and I completely understand. I do have a different way of doing things. I did do a washi banner, but my washi banner for this particular spread, I did do it in Silhouette like I normally do for my previous videos. But I did figure out how to do it in Goodnotes. So I am absolutely loving it. Have I said goodbye forever to Silhouette? No, because I am a shop owner. So I do use it to create my kits. But there have been a lot of glitches and things have just been messing up with Silhouette. The dragging, it slows down. It has just not been the groove for me lately. And it's part of the reason I just got frustrated and I was like, I need to take a break and really buckle down and learn how to do Goodnotes. So some of the girls that I have watched on YouTube have been such a major blessing. That's why I love the planner community so much. It just keeps on ever expanding. But my kids, I know you guys want updates on the kids. My daughter is in the 6th grade. Middle school's been a little rough. Y'all know how it was when you first started middle school. Comment down below what your experience was like when you first stepped into middle school. Yep, we're going down memory lane. Give me some stories, give me some tips on how to help her navigate middle school life, because it's rough out there, man. Like, middle school ain't no joke, y'all. And then my baby boy, he is in the second grade. He is loving it. There's a few challenges. He's in a new school and he misses his old friends, and with everything that's going on in the world, some days they have school, some days they don't, and it's just no stability in that. And for my homeschool mamas out there, if you're like, what happened? Why did they go back? They begged me to go back, and and I honestly don't know if we're gonna keep them in regular school, because I don't know. It's just I just want to protect my babies, It's just I just want to, and I I'm trying, I'm trying to let them be in school, but their safety is my top priority, and it's a never-ending battle between my husband. We're like, they need to be in regular school, but I want to keep them home. So I'm sure I'm not the only mama bear out there that just wants to hold on to their babies a little bit longer, and keep them at homes where they'll be absolutely safe. But anywho, please let me know your middle school stories in the comments so I can share with my daughter. She really wants to hear everyone's story. And yeah, she's been really getting a lot of inspiration from when I tell her stories versus when her cousins tell her stories. So it's always good to hear it from other people. But anywho's, let's get into the spread. I've been jabbering on and on, but I just want to give you guys those updates, let you know what's going on with me and the babies and the hubs. But right now I'm getting into the meat and potatoes. I have roasted the turkey, laying down my full boxes. Now let's get into these potatoes. That divider is from Print Petticoat Bandit. I always get stumbled over her words. Print Petticoat Bandit. I got that from her. I did a spread the week prior to this one using one of her kits, and I really like some of the elements, so I saved them. One of the amazing things about Goodnotes is you can save a lot of your stickers and use them in other ones, which is a great thing about digital planning altogether. I did pre-plan. I write in a lot of stuff and then I go back in and fill my boxes in. You will see that a lot. So you're like, oh, you cheated. You already did this. I did, girl. I did, because I was trying to save time, I be forgetting stuff. So I pretty much just write down every day, a highlight of what I did and some stuff that I didn't want to forget. So I daily plan, but I don't have the pressure of putting in the boxes just yet. I do that at the end of the week, and that way I could do my screen record, fill in my boxes, and go from there. So on Monday we had veggie spaghetti, and I use Impossible meat. Oh my goodness, y'all. I've been vegetarian for about 2 months now, and it's so much easier to be vegetarian right now. I'm really, really loving it. Also this day, that afternoon, I got a FaceTime message from my 2 oldest nieces, my babies. They're not babies anymore. Hey ladies, I love you if you're watching. It was really, really cool. It's rare that I get to talk to both of them at the same time. So that was really, really awesome. And then later on that day, I watched a Hallmark movie. This was the new Hannah Swanson mystery. I think they originally were called Murder, She Baked. I think that was what that one was originally called. Those movies are amazing. I'm a huge, huge murder mystery fan. Me and one of my other sisters, we both are like all about Hallmark murders and mystery movies. Every time there's a new one out, we're like, all right, you gonna watch it? I'm gonna watch it, and then we can talk about it. So if you guys are big murder mystery fans of Hallmark, comment down below and let me know which series is your favorite, because I promise you, I've seen them all. But we are moving on to adding my date covers, which I thought I did that earlier, but I guess I forgot to do it. And here you'll see my washi banner. Like I said, I did this one in silhouette and just saved it as a picture. but now I'm just trying to perfect it. This was my second like real deal Goodnotes spread. So perfection I was trying to be perfect, but I couldn't be perfect, and I left in a lot of when I was making mistakes and everything, and it was just but I left it in because I wanted you guys to see the good, the bad, and the ugly of using Goodnotes and why I struggled and gave up before, but I didn't give up this time. Here we are on Tuesday. I had to take my daughter to the doctor, and this particular appointment, she had to go to the hospital to get some tests run. She's good. She's fine. You know, sometimes they switch things up and say, okay, today we need you to go here, and then next year you come to the office. I don't know, maybe they had some type of outbreak at the doctor's office, but they sent us to the hospital this time. But y'all, we got lost at the hospital. We had to walk to 3 different buildings with my babies because my husband was at work. So I was like, oh my God, this is driving me crazy. This was like a week before school started, and I was like, oh. So that was an adventure. So I had to document that. And then later on that day, I definitely took a nap because after all that walking, your girl was done. Okay, I was done. And I don't know about y'all. I'm 30. I'm 38, but I'm 28 in my mind. But I have always loved taking naps. Like naps have been like my thing. Like it's a hobby, and I love to do it whenever I get a chance to. But yes. So here I am putting that we had leftovers for dinner. We had some leftover spaghetti with the impossible meat, and it was so yummy. We're definitely going to make that again. And later on that night, I had a headache, and you're going to see me struggle trying to get this sticker put together all perfect and neat. Oh, there's another message that popped up. But I was just trying to make it perfect. And you see here, I have my Bitmojis in there. All you guys have to do is like start a text message thread to yourself and text yourself a bunch of pictures, and then click the picture and save it to your photos, and you can add it to your planner spread. You can even add them to, I've seen some girls add them to Silhouette and put cut files to them and print them out. It's amazing. So I've done that. I've even started saving some of my Facebook, emoji girl, and I haven't used those yet, but I plan on using them soon. I'm not always on Facebook, so I don't really get to see them a lot, but I do like the way that character looks. But here, I think this is Thursday. No, that's Wednesday. So we're still on Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is Wednesday. Yes, we were on Tuesday before. So here I am just showing that I canceled the kids' dentist appointment. I did an Insta post, and I posted that spread from Print Petticoat Bandit. There it is quickly. It's on my Instagram page. I'll have it linked down below. And then I watched Marvel's What If with my son, which I need to catch up. I'm like 3 episodes behind. I've only seen the first one. So maybe him and I'll watch that tonight. But we watched that. It was really good. The first one was a Captain Carter. I'm not going to have any spoilers in it, but it was really, really good. I'm a huge Marvel fan, so I was all about that cartoon and all. I loved it. And then later on that night, I binged watch a ton of digital Plan With Me videos. Still learning. I will forever be in YouTube University. And then later on that night, I did a planner PR post, and yeah, so now we're moving on to Thursday, or is that Friday? I think I like skipped through Thursday and Friday. So on Thursday I just did my hair, and then I got tired and I took a nap. And then Saturday I'm showing here that my husband and we did an interview with a church. And it was talking about love and marriage. We've been together for 14 years. There was a couple on there that had been together for 30 years. It's amazing stories, just giving tips and advice to younger couples that are engaged. It was really, 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 really a great interview to do, and we truly love it. We see our ministry ever increasing through married life, and it's something that we've always wanted to do, and it was a blessing to get to do that together. And then on Sunday, I washed my daughter's hair and redid her twist, getting her prepped for school. I am laying down my weekend banner, and then I'm all done. You guys, I'm basically now just adding some pictures to make it look pretty. Y'all know, even if it's digital, we got a pretty plan, do some layering and all that good stuff. But I really, really love this kit. Thank you so much to the Planner Shack. This was amazing. I'm truly, truly enjoying it. And I can't wait to show you guys the next one. I am already working on the screen record and getting it all done. If you guys have any questions about Goodnotes, if I can answer them, I will. If you have any video requests with Goodnotes or digital planning or anything, let me know. I am here. I'm back. Sorry I took such a long break, but it was a much needed one. Mental health is important, so we got to take breaks when we know we need to take breaks. So thank you guys so much for sticking with me. Thank you so much for all the messages of love and encouragement, and I'm here. So as always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.